So today we are talking about the tax laws and some of the benefits your company gives you, whether it's laptop, whether it's membership of a club. How does the Tax Act affect these things? Let's talk about it today. Now, this is called benefits in kind. What is benefits in kind? Those are the benefits that are not cash values that your employees gives to you to work or for personal use. These are called benefits in kind. But let's look at the three basic ways the law applies. So according to the law, if a company buys an asset, right, and lets you use that asset, the taxman is meant to deduct 5% of the value of that asset from you that is using that asset at the price at which the product was bought. Let me give you an example. So let's just say your company gives you a car to use, right? A company car to use at 20 million. That's the value of the car when they bought it, 20 million. 5% of 20 million is 1 million. So the taxman adds 1 million to your salary. So that means your salary increases by 1 million, right? And it will add to how much you pay as tax at the end of the day. Secondly, what if your company decides to rent the item to give it to you for you to use, right? At that point, the taxman will calculate the value of the item, the rent paid on the item for the entire year, and that will be added to your salary. Let me give you an example. So let's say your company decides, we don't want to buy the car, we want to rent it from a car company. So they rent it at 150,000 naira a month, right? So 150,000 times 12, that is 1.8 million. The 1.8 million will be added to your salary, therefore increasing your taxable salary by 1.8 million. The third scenario is having maybe company does a subscription for you or does a registration for you with maybe a club. You will be taxed on the full amount the company used to register that stuff for you. Let's cite an example. Just say your company decides to register you at Ikoyi Golf Club and it's 500,000 naira per year. An extra 500,000 will be added to your salary, right? So you'll be paying 500,000 more. But this law does not apply to things like maybe your company decides to give you guys food in the restaurant or gives you uniform or clothing for work. This does not apply to it. There's a distinction between what is used strictly for work and what will also benefit you. So that which will also benefit you will be taxed, will be added to your total tax.